Welcome to the Coastal Welding preview video. This auction is being held on July 27th in Campbell River. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough. That ahead of us here is a CNC plasma cutter. It's a big shear in the background. There are several welders on site and fabricating tables. This is a Scotchman punch and shear. Another welder, torch sets. There's a parts room of nuts and bolts and fittings. In the background, there's a cube van that's equipped with a bending machine for doing tin work for gutters. There's a lot of material on site, stainless steel, aluminum there in the background. This is a new trailer that the company fabricated. This is a Chevy 3500 series welding truck. It has a large welder with a generator on board. Lots of steel. This shelter in the back are some woodworking tools and a generator and a shear and a bending machine. In this shed, this is a sandblasting shed, so there's a sandblaster and some benches, and it's also painting equipment, airless painting equipment, industrial scale. This is a barge that's under construction. It's 60 feet by 24 feet, and it's over half finished. It's engineered with the plans, needs to be finished. They've already spent $120,000 to get it to this point, but needs to be finished. More aluminum stock. More welders. A Miller welder here. A Lincoln welder. Another Lincoln welder. Workbenches. A couple of aluminum boats that are almost finished. And there's a bunch of other stuff. Hardware, there's a big tool room with assorted hand tools and power tools. Enough to run a shop with half a dozen guys or more. And I'll just walk you back in. Here's an automated cutoff saw. Has electronic controls. Hydemec S20A. It's a band saw. There's a large roller, good for 1/4 inch. And watch for the catalog online. And hope to see you there. Please call if you've got any questions about this auction.